will go to network installations and testing. So what we do now, we have to install a cable plant. We have to simulate the installation of cable plant, which is a 10 kilometer fiber to the home. So I have here some my testing instruments. We have the power meter, cable finder or signal finder, OTDR, microscope for connector inspection, distal hook locator, connector cleaner, and some of the tools that are required. Now I am using the splitter 1x4, 1x8, 1x16. These splitter are all planar type, or what we call PLD. So there is no ratio here. One input, 4 output. So if this output is port 1, all the output are the same. The same also with 1x8. How much is the output of the port 1? Port 1, port 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same output. There is no ratio for this one. And the last that I have to use is 1x16. 1 in, 16 output. The same. No ratio. And I will use also another types of splitter, 1x8 also. We will simulate, we will test if all the splitters are working before wiring the desired layout. So I have to use my, as per the design, this is a 24 core for the feeder from the feeder cable, and we have the 4 core distribution. We will use the different closures, the inline for aerial installations. We have the dome closures. Okay. We have the knock box going to your subscriber area. Knock box where the splitter will be placed, and we have the drop cable to the customer house. We have the ONU and ONT, and we have the telephone set. So these 3 devices here will be placed or installed in customer area, while this one, the knock box, will be installed in the pole, post, and also with your dome closure and inline closure. So we will check first our optical line terminal and the transceiver. If it is have a optical signal coming out from your transceiver. So I have to check the power output of my transceiver using my power meter. Okay? Remove the cap. My transceiver is 14 nanometer, 1490 nanometer, and 1310. This is 7 dB power. GPON. Okay? We will use this patch cord. I have also the patch cord here. Set your power meter to 1490. Okay. I have the reading of 6.88 dBm. So this is a 7 dBm power output. Now I have read a 6.9, which is around the same. So this power output will be distributed to my subscriber. So I have to use the 1x4, 1x8, 1x16 as per the design and layout. Okay. Now, I have to check this 1/4 splitter will be used for my as local convergence point. It will be used by here. We will put here 1/4 and together with 1/8. Okay, so we will check first the conditions of your splitter. Okay. After the splitter, we will check also the cable. So put here in. Now check the output of your splitter. How much here before? So now it shows that you have negative 1.0 dBm. So meaning the splitter dropped some of the signals. But before that, as what I've said, during the testing, you have to set to 0 dB in order that your cable will not be counted as losses of your total calculations. Okay? So you have to repeat again. Now I have to set to 0 dB. Okay. So meaning when this is 0 dB, the cable will not be counted as loss. Now the result was changed. It was negative 9.75. Now the output here will be fed to 1/8. Okay? So I will use the any port because this is the same output also. We will confirm this is negative 8. Squared. Okay, same. With a little difference of negative 1. No issue. Now I have to use one port, feed to 1/8 splitter. Now measure the output of the 1/8. So from 1/4, your read is negative 8.12.10, and then when I put on the 1/8, the reading is now is negative 21.38. If this reading I will feed through the 1/16, feed again to 1/16, we will see how much the output now from port 1 to 16. We will check the port 1. top. We will check the port 1 by 16. Now your reading is negative 39. So from here, 7 dB, negative 8, negative 21. Now you have negative 39. We will check some port. Port 16. Still negative 40. Negative 40. We will check again the 1 by 8. Negative 21. Same. So that is how you test your splitter. Negative 37. Okay. I will check this kind of splitter. I will check how much. This is the input. Remove the dust cap. We will try port number 5. Okay. And then we will check port 1. Okay. So we have to lock the port 1. For this kind of splitter. Still negative, around negative 31. Almost same way by the same splitter. This is 1 by 8. This is 1 by 8. Okay, so negative 31. Okay, so this is how you test your splitter when you want to install in your system. Okay.